What's up everybody, this is Christopher Corinthian. Today we are going to review this laptop charger. So basically this is from MSI. If I dismantle this, you can see the whole thing. Okay, now this is to your laptop. Okay, this one is like the bang of the charger. Okay, for this one is going to be the head to the plug. Okay, you plug in to the power to the power point. Okay, and then for this one you have to plug in this. Okay, just plug it in, and then this one to the laptop. Now my concern, the selling point is that actually I had problem with this. When I bought my MSI laptop, it was going great, but after a period of time, maybe like 2 years, this one spoils. And I asked the shopkeeper, I was like, bro, my laptop charger spoiled, like why? He said this is a common problem, this is a normal problem. So he was like, bro, go and get another one, a cheap one, and just use it. Now my previous one was bigger than this. The bang, this is the bang, right? It was around this size. Okay, around this size. It's bigger, but now I got this with a low price, I guess. And then you know what, this is doing great also, bro. I don't know, I just bought this last year. It's almost 1 year. Yeah, it's almost 1 year or even 1 year already. Okay, and it's really doing fine. I brought my laptop anywhere when I produce my music, edit my videos, and it's still doing fine. It means it's durable, because when this one is inside your laptop bag, and when you put down your laptop bag, there's some kind of like force, like a heat. I'm not hitting my bag down on the floor, but sometimes there's some force when you clash with the floor, however light it is, however small impact it is, right? There's a impact over there. So I recommend you to buy this kind of, if you can see, this from MSI. It's AC adapter. Okay, the model is A12120PIA REV01. Okay, now if you don't know which is good, which is bad, normally with the MSI or any other brand like Asus is going to be good. Now it's like you just use this kind of charger, and it's going to help you in your battery for your laptop. So if you have any questions about this, make sure to let me know down in the comment section, and I would like to cover them all. What video or products should I do and review next? Let me know down in the comment section also, and I'll be happy to do that. May God bless you always. Jesus bless you. Amen.